Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If dog can walk from point A to point B in 42 minutes while cat can walk from point B to A in 7 minutes. If both start walking at same time, they will cross each other after what time? We have to find out. So it is given that to walk from point A to point B, so this distance the dog takes 42 minutes to cover this distance, and similarly to walk from B to A distance, cat will take 7 minutes. This is also given. Now if we know the distance, that is this AB distance, and time is given, so we can find out the speed of cat and dog. So let us find that. So from here we can say that the speed of dog will be equal to distance divided by time, and here the distance is AB, time is 42 minutes. So this is the speed of dog, let's say UD, and similarly we can find out the speed of cat, which is equal to, this distance is AB, time is 7 minutes. So let's say this is UC, the speed of cat. Now let's say that both cat and dog will take T time when they cross each other for the first time. So we have to find this time T. So from here we can say that at that time the distance travelled by dog plus the distance travelled by the cat will be equal to total distance, because wherever they meet the sum of the distance will be the distance, or we can say the total distance AB. Now let us write the distance. We know that distance can be written as speed multiplied by time. So speed of dog was UD and T time we have assumed. Similarly speed of cat is UC and T time. At the same time they will cross each other. Now this is equal to AB. Now UD and UC we have calculated here in the terms of AB. So let us substitute that. AB by 42 multiplied by T plus AB by 7 multiplied by T, which is equal to AB. Now from here we can take AB and T common, and 1 by 42 plus 1 by 7 is remaining. So from here AB gets cancelled and the time T will be equal to, let's take LCM. So the time T will be equal to 42 divided by 7, which is equal to 6. Therefore 6 minutes is the required time. So we can say that they will cross, or you can say the cat and dog will cross each other after 6 minutes. So 6 minutes is the required answer.